time of my confession, in the hour of my deepest need, when the pool of tears beneath my feet flood every newborn seed, there's a dying voice within me, reaching out somewhere, toiling in the dangers, in the morals of despair. Don't have the inclination to look back on any mistake. Like Cain, I now must behold this chain of events that I must break. In the fury of the moment, I can see the Master's hand in every leaf that trembles, in every grain of sand. For the flowers of indulgence to the weeds of yesteryear, like criminals they have choked the breath of conscience and good cheer. The sun beat down upon the steps of time to light the way, to ease the pain of idleness and the memory of decay. I gaze into the doorway of temptation's angry flame, and every time I look that way, I always hear my name. Then onward in my journey, I come to understand that every hair is numbered, like every grain of sand. I have gone from rags to riches in the sorrow of the night, through the violence of a summer's dream to the chill of a wintry light, through the bitter dance of loneliness fading into the space, on the broken mirror of innocence, on each forgotten face. I hear the ancient footsteps like the motion of the sea. Sometimes I turn, there's someone there, other times it's only me. I'm hanging in the balance of the reality of man, like every sparrow falling, like every